welcome back to my channel. It's Tianj Oriana, and today we will be we will be using the hair Isee. And yeah, so this is what comes in the box. You get a little, service card or whatever, and a wig cap. Of course, we love those wig caps. And the wig, it is a 22-inch kinky curly. It says kinky curly, but it is a Mongolian kinky curly. Like, that's what was ordered, a Mongolian kinky curly, not just regular kinky curly hair. They need to fix that with the packaging and all that. This unit is a 13 by 6. You see all that lace? You could do a little cute deep side part or whatever, or even a long one. Got some 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, some lace, and 2 adjustable straps. Of course, adjust your wig on your head. These wigs low-key be a little too tight. I mean, I got a big head, but these wigs be tight. I'm just showing you what the lace looks like on my skin and showing you that the wig is like barely pre-plugged. Like, they call it pre-plugged, but it's not. But yeah, okay, so anyways, this is the hair dye. It's the L'Oreal HiColor, and I'm gonna use it in the Sizzling copper color. Don't forget your gloves. You're gonna need some gloves, y'all. Do not want to stain your hands. A little dye brush, whatever of your choice. A comb or a brush, whatever you want to use. This is going to help you because you want to detangle that hair before and during the process. Some clips or a ponytail holder, whatever you want to do, y'all, up to you. I love these clips. They're so cute and it was cheap. A little dyeing bowl and an edge brush, because that is going to help. That's the secret, y'all. That's going to help you make sure you don't mess up your lace. So I'm using 30 Developer because that is like the least harsh. I mean, that's not the least harsh because like 20 is the least harsh. I'm getting off topic, but yeah, I'm just combing down the little flyaways, so I guess it's not in my way. And I'm gonna part my hair in the middle because I am splitting the frontal away from the tracks, because I'm gonna do a frontal lash, just because I felt like, well, it's true anyways, like the frontal tends to die way more quicker than the tracks do, because it's like singly strand hair on lace. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I want to do that last, because I don't want the frontal to develop way quicker than the tracks. You already know to detangle your wigs before you add any type of bleach or hair dye, because it'll make the products go through the hair more, and you won't have to worry about any type of dark spots or anything like that. And also, when you wash out the stuff out the hair, like, in my opinion, it makes it easy to detangle the hair. It won't be all knotted up. So if you haven't seen my other video of me dyeing the hair red without using bleach, I showed you a different way how to open up these bottles. Honestly, it is way easier just to cut open the top and then push it out, and then squeeze the rest of it out the little tube part, because you're getting all of that dye and you're getting all your money's worth, because these bottles is like $7 at Sally's and they like $5 at your local beauty supply store. But the beauty supply store don't be having like all the colors that you want. Yeah, all right, whatever, I'm getting off topic again. So I'm gonna stir this first before I add any type of developer, just to make sure that the dye is stirred up and mixed up together. You get it? You guys understand. So now, like I said, I sectioned off the hair. So I put it in like 5 sections, but I split that up within. Like, I split that section up within itself, because this is a lot of hair and I wanted to not do a rush job. Like, I really wanted this to work and go through. And I'm gonna comb through, like as you see, I'm gonna use a comb to rake through the hair and make sure that every strand gets this dye on it. These dyes are really good. Like, they do be working. Like, I've been seeing other people do them and they're working, and the same thing worked when I did it with the red hair. But you gotta be careful because I used the blonde one thinking I was doing something, and the only thing it did was turn my hair brown. So if somebody knows what I did wrong, like, somebody let me know. But so far, only colors that worked was the red one and this copper. This isn't copper, this is Sizzling copper. I know that the copper one works also too. Okay, so the time has come. As you can see, this is what the purpose of that edge brush was for, okay? It came in handy. It's doing its purpose. It's doing its job because I want to keep dark roots. You can go closer if you don't want to keep dark roots, but you know, that's what you want. You know, it's your hair, do what you want. This is just a tip. If you want to keep dark roots, use y'all edge brushes. You can use a dyeing brush, but I feel like it smudges a lot, so I didn't want to do that. But yeah, that is what the edge brush is for. After 2 hours, this is what the hair was looking like. Still had its curl and shape, so it was fine. But I did have a spare 3 boxes left, so I figured I would just try one more time just to see if I could brighten it. The second time with the dye, I let it sit on for about 5 hours, and then I washed it out, used my Garnier Fructis shampoo, and then I deep conditioned with my silicone mix, and the hair texture is perfectly fine. As you can see, these are the results of the hair. It just looks so nice in the sunlight, like the color just pops. This is the perfect fall color. I love it so much, and I hope that this video was helpful. Give this video a like, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.